Hello, I'm David from Team Malice, and today we're going to discuss some weight saving ideas that we got. We're a little bit worried about weight on this robot. The larger weapon right now is just showing the lighter weapon, so we're not so worried, but for the larger weapon, it's about 10 to 15 pounds heavier on the weapon, so we have some ideas to do some weight loss in the back of the robot on the frame. So there's one idea we're thinking of is to use UHMW on some parts that are currently AR500. The bottom and top is going to be AR500, and then there's a few other pieces that are also AR500. The front guards here for the wheels, and then there's one for the back too, both on each sides. And we're thinking maybe the back one, instead of AR500, actually be UHMW. So today, all I'm going to do is switch this one piece, which is the back piece, just an extra back piece, which is AR500, and make a cutout of the same thickness at a UHMW, and then we're going to compare the weights between the two after the cutout. So here is my sheet of UHMW, the same thickness as the AR, and I'm just going to cut it, just stencil it out of this, and then you only really need these two holes. That's where the bolts go. The rest of this was probably most likely weight savings. I'll probably just keep it how it is. I probably will not make these small cuts and only have these cuts in the UHMW, and we'll check the weight afterwards. So let's get at it. So I cut 5 of them out. They're not that great, but I mean, they're close. Not that worried about them. Really what matters is that this is where it gets pushed into the robot. So this is what needs to be aligned. The rest It could be off, it could be off. I'm just going to cut these two holes here. I'm going to cut one first and then map. So I cut 5 of them. I drilled the holes. Like I said, really only needed to drill these 2 holes because these are the only 2 holes that are used to go the bolts go through. This is just really weight savings for the AR 500 version. You saw me use this while I was using the drill press. I just pretty much wanted this to go in and then use this main piece, the main AR 500, as a guide. So when I drilled the other hole, it would be perfectly matching without me measuring. Just a lazy way of doing it. So now we're just going to do a weight check on the scale. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. So this is the AR 500 piece. And it is reading 1.65 pounds. And then this is just the UHMW piece, same exact frame. Obviously not cut as precise because I was just using just a jigsaw. And it is reading, it's reading 0.25 pounds now. So quite a bit of savings. Like I said, we may have to switch to these if we're overweight on the weapon, the large weapon when it comes in and everything else is put together. I see no need to cut these holes here. I don't think I'm going to save that much weight, and I think structurally it's going to be better with none of these holes. Obviously we need these 2 holes to match, to put the holes through the bolts, to bolt it to the robot. So I think that's it. Like I said, I did 5. The sheet was 12 by 12. I still got a little bit left. I could probably do like 1 or 2 more, maybe 3, but I think 5 is sufficient for now. If it comes down we need more, we just cut more at the competition. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.